Hey, I'm Luke from Pages.Report, and today I would like to go through a NAN landing page. NAN is about no-code workflows. It's a really cool product, and to be honest, in this tool you probably automate everything. And if you can automate something, probably you don't know how to do it, because of in NAN there are a lot of possibilities. So let's go through how they showing their value proposition, the value of product, and the social proof, etc. Because of the landing page is really cool, and a lot of good practice included about the conversion rate. So yeah, good practice here. You can get and maybe implement on your landing page. So first of all, we go through the hero section, and they have really strong headline here about the AI agents and workflows, and they pointing the one specific problem is about see and control. That means because in AI tools probably and often you don't know what is behind the scenes, and they know this, just pointing the problem directly. So this is really cool. And another thing is a dual CTA. I'm not this I'm not fan often with double CTA because of often it just distract, but in this case they pointing to the two type of customers, the casual developers and founders, etc. And second is about sales, and it's more like a let's say enterprise solution. So this is in this case I understand this, and it's acceptable. And yeah, another thing is about the social proof, of course, in hero section. This product, this company is really big, so the social proof and testimonials, it's not that important as in the smaller products, because of they have a lot of credibility in the GitHub repository, close to 200k stars. So this is hilarious. And yeah, but often, and it's really good, they have this. And another thing is in the next section, how they showing the persona targeting here. Of course, this product is for different people, like and different solutions. So you can see the DevOps can, sales can, you can. So they narrowing down the specific type of persona, and this is really cool because of people are scanning this page. And for example, if you are related to sales, you probably see this. Okay, it's in the it's not active right now, yeah, when you are scrolling, but we are really good. We are really good into scanning this page. And after clicking this, you can see here, of course, example of workflow when you have integrated Google spreadsheet, something with AI. So this is a real example of workflow. And another thing is about, of course, again, social proof, but like I mentioned before, they doing it well, But if you on the beginning stages and you have like maybe 1,000 customers, maybe 100 or maybe 10 customers, from your perspective, the social proof should be stronger because of, you probably, if you don't have stars on GitHub, if you don't have community, if you don't have stars on G2, it's hard to, show, because of you can, of course, create components like this, but, people are not stupid, and numbers is showing everything. And if you have, like 2 stars on GitHub, you probably shouldn't show this because of it's nothing to show actually. And next step is about how they showing the integrations, because of this is really cool about how they presented this, because of they have a body text here, over 500 integrations with the specific icons. And another example that we are good in scanning, and of course they are showing here with the animation. This section is animated with the specific icons, the most populars, and probably it's not based on random choices. It's based on, because of in the NAN you are using nodes, yeah. So based on real data from database, what actual and the customers are using and what kind of integrations they doing, they put these icons here. I'm 100% sure it's not random icons here. So yeah. And yeah, like I mentioned before, we are really good in scanning. Yeah. So probably if you are using Google Spreadsheet or Slack, you see this logo in the Airtable. You see this logo in the first second when you see this section. Another section is about something about features, and people often saying these days people don't read, and this is really wrong thinking, because of we are reading and we are really good in scanning. When we scrolling down, in my case, I see one. Of course, different people will see different things, but in my case, I see self-hosted, I see Docker, I see access to GitHub repo, I see hosted version is also available. This is really good because of, this is the real value. And it's targeting more, probably, this section is more focused to more technical people, because of if you are related to marketing, you probably don't care about self-hosted. You actually don't know what is self-hosted. But if this landing page is scrolling by some technical people, this self-hosted and this Docker thing is really, even it's small, but it's really easy to see. Especially if we have this in the order list. Another thing is about also coding, and this section probably is also targeting to the more technical people, because of they mentioning about JavaScript, about Python, about testing AI with real data. So this is also for people more technical. And if you see this JavaScript and Python technical people, even though this is a really, crowdy section, a lot of let's say texts, but people will see those three points, and JavaScript and Python you see this in the 1 second of scrolling. Another thing is about social proof and case study, which is, of course, another example. They have tons of credibility because of social proof, and case study with Vodafone and Huel is really big. But in the social proof, they showing, of course, the real name, the position of this person, and also with specific numbers. How the NAN help Huel to save 1,000 hours of manual work. This is real numbers, not something with random data. Another thing here, the save. So the thing is about NAN can save hours of work and tons of money. So maybe in this case, small annotation will to maybe test or improve its highlight this 1,000 hours, because of it's really good. I see in this 2.2 million directly, but it's not that easy to see this 1,000 hours. And this is more for enterprise resolutions and more for enterprise solutions, because of here, if you are a developer, if you are a solo founder, you probably don't understand this section, because of you don't you don't think about the security, actually, about scalable. So this is not that important for random people that see reels from TikTok or something like that. But if it comes from, for example, from direct SEO, or probably they have team with marketing team, and they are going on the conferences, and someone from this conference visit this NAN, this section is from them, because with the specific technical texts, and but trust me, this section is more related to, agencies and etc. And another section is about the social proof, and it's really cool because of they showing also real person, real name, and here is probably username from social media, and it's not polished. This text is with emoticons. It seems like a real text from LinkedIn post or Twitter X profile, something like that. So they showing the value, and the value of this product really good. The sections are good structured. Of course, the UI is related with this tool, but we are not focusing here about the animations, because of, to be honest, if your product isn't on this level where is NAN, you probably don't need any animations like this hero section here with the Thunderbolt. Yeah, it's really fancy, but in most cases, you don't need this, and you don't want to waste time of this type of animations. And yeah, a lot of good copy, a lot of good framing. Yeah, this is really good because of they frame the control. Yeah, and the control word. How see how many. Yeah, how many times we see control? Yeah, we see control here. Actually 8 words about control. Yeah, so they are focusing this into this word is more focused to people they know what is about the scaling. Yeah, because of in most cases, if, like I mentioned before, if you are a founder or this tool is used by maybe solo developer, they probably don't think about the control. So yeah, this is NAN case. If you would like to see more this type of analytics, visit my different videos. And yeah, if you would like maybe analyze this type of analyzed with specific suggestions to your page, just visit pages.report and yeah, make a request there. So thank you today.